So let me bring in the guests who are joining us now. Manish Bariyar is the spokesperson of the BJP. We have Dr. Sanjay Kumar from the JDU. Ejaz Ahmed, the RJD spokesperson, is joining us. We also have Congress spokesperson, Dr. Madhu Bala. Before I get a reaction from all of them, in fact, Dr. Madhu Bala, if you're through with us, and also a question that I would ask Ejaz Ahmed. Ejaz Ahmed, Rahul Gandhi here saying clearly that anything will be done by the BJP for the sake of votes. The question is that if it's about battlefield, then isn't it about Sam Dam Dand Bhed? That everything has to be done to ensure that the public votes for you.
देखिए, राहुल जी ने जो बातें कही है वो सच है और सच्चाई तो ये है कि जिस तरह से आस्था के महापर्व छठ के नाम पर राजनीति भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने की वो स्पष्ट रूप से सामने आ गया। इन्होंने सबसे पहले तो बिहार और बिहार के लोगों को जिस तरह से अपमानित किया और जिस तरह से कठिनाइयों में लोगों को छोड़ दिया, परेशानियां झेल करके लोग अपने गंतव्य स्थान तक, अपने गांव तक पहुंचे। इन्होंने वादा किया था कि 12,000 ट्रेन देंगे, लेकिन अफसोस की बात है कि 12 ट्रेन भी नहीं दिए। और प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कल कहा था कि आस्था के महापर्व में जो उगते सूरज को हम अर्घ देने का काम करेंगे वो जमुना नदी में हम देंगे। लेकिन अफसोस की बात है कि इन्होंने जिस तरह का हाइप बनाया, जिस तरह से मीडिया अप्रोच बनाया और ऐसा लगा कि आस्था के महापर्व को भी ये लोग कहीं ना कहीं भावनाओं में कैश करना चाहते हैं। और इस तरह की राजनीति जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी करती रही है उसको और उसके नीतियों को कहीं ना कहीं कुदरत को भी मंजूर नहीं था, भगवान को भी मंजूर नहीं था, जिस कारण प्रधानमंत्री जी जिस तरह का वातावरण का निर्माण किए थे उस वातावरण का पोल खुल गया और वो आस्था के महापर्व में लोगों के भावनाओं के साथ खिलवाड़ किए, उनके भावनाओं को आहत किए और कहीं ना कहीं जो
Manish, respond to that. That this is about hurting the sentiments. When Rahul Gandhi highlights that the BJP and the Prime Minister is ready to do anything for the sake of votes, it's about also hurting sentiments vis-a-vis in the context of Chhath festivities. Manish, if you heard me.
Okay, good evening to you. I thought the question was to Ejaz. Can you please repeat the question? Because I thought that it is to Ejaz.
Yes, the question is what Rahul Gandhi has said.
See,
on that line, what Rahul Gandhi said, that you are ready to do anything for the sake of votes.
No. I think that was a very unfortunate kind of a statement. And we know Rahul Gandhi very well, what he is capable of and what he is not capable of. He has spoken so many things that are unpalatable, and we don't expect anything better than from him. What can you expect? Does he understand Chhath Puja hai kya uska महत्व है? उनको ये भी नहीं पता होगा कि पिछले इतने सालों से कांग्रेस की सरकार की 60 साल 75 साल, आप बोलेंगे कि ठीक है, आप हमेशा ये बोलते रहते हैं, लेकिन हिंदुओं के लिए कुछ करना, उनकी पर्व त्योहार के बाद को रिस्पेक्ट देना, ये कांग्रेस पार्टी ने कभी किया नहीं तो फिर दिल्ली में जिस तरह से इस बार हुआ है, जिस तरह से बिहार के लोगों के लिए सुविधाएं दी गई है, तो कांग्रेस पार्टी पहले कर सकती थी, लेकिन कांग्रेस पार्टी ने कभी इसका ध्यान नहीं दिया। और एजाज जी बोल रहे हैं कि अच्छा ट्रेन नहीं चलाया, तो आप जरा रेलवे का देख लीजिए। आप उन्होंने बोला था कि 12,000 बार जो है हम लोग करेंगे और उन्होंने करके दिखाया है। इतने सारे जितने श्रद्धालु हैं वो छठ पूजा के समय में आए और कई वीडियोस आपने
Manish, have you heard what the Delhi Chief Minister has said with regards to Bihar and Biharis just few minutes ago, which we broke on the channel, that why the state is poor?
No.
Have you heard that your own Chief Minister is demeaning Bihar?
No, what way?
The fact is that the state has been governed by the JDU-led NDA for the last 20 years, and still it is being spoken. I would play that bite in just a bit, but first up, because we are speaking about the big rallies that were held today, and also Home Minister Amit Shah saying that there is no vacancy whatsoever for the Chief Ministerial and the Prime Ministerial post, Is this the final sealing of the entire confusion which has played around with regards to the chief ministerial chair, whether Nitish Kumar will be the chief minister at all? Let's listen in to what all happened today, and then I'm going to also play that soundbite of what Rekha Gupta said in the context of Bihar.
For over 2 decades, this man has been synonymous with the role of Bihar's chief minister. A record 9-time CM, the man is favorably known as Sushasan Babu and unfavorably known as Paltu Ram at the same time, and now faces possibly his biggest political test yet. As Bihar gears up for its first vote in about a week, all eyes are on Nitish Kumar as to whether he will be chief minister once again, even if his alliance emerges victorious. And spurring on the speculation is his opposition, who in the past have also been his allies. Rahul Gandhi, in his first major political rally in Bihar's Muzaffarpur, claiming that Nitish Kumar is just a remote control in the hands of the BJP.
नीतीश जी का चेहरा का प्रयोग हो रहा है। रिमोट कंट्रोल बीजेपी के हाथ में है। बीजेपी कंट्रोल करती है, उनके हाथ में रिमोट कंट्रोलर है और उनको सामाजिक न्याय से कोई लेना देना नहीं है।
Of course, Rahul has echoed what his ally Tejashwi has been claiming all along, that Bihar's talismanic CM was just a puppet.
अमित शाह जी ने 2 प्रमुख बातें इस चुनाव के संदर्भ में कहा। पहली बात कि सीएम का चेहरा चुनाव के बाद तय किया जाएगा कि एनडीए का कौन होगा, वो विधायक चुनेंगे। पहली बात, यानी नीतीश कुमार जी बिहार के अगले मुख्यमंत्री होंगे, ये एनडीए ने घोषणा अब तक नहीं की है। यानी स्पष्ट कर दिया है कि जिसकी ज़्यादा संख्या होगी उसका ये उनका ही मुख्यमंत्री होगा।
But wary of this narrative hijacking the poll discourse, the BJP has hit back, with Amit Shah in Darbhanga giving his most emphatic endorsement yet of Nitish being the NDA CM face.
सोनिया जी राहुल को बनाना चाहते हैं और लालू जी अपने बेटे को बनाना चाहते हैं। दोनों को मैं कह देता हूं, सीएम या पीएम कोई भी सीट खाली नहीं है। यहां नीतीश कुमार जी है, वहां मोदी जी।
Shah's statement summing up support from all NDA allies.
महागठबंधन का कहना है कि उन्होंने सारे अपने डिफरेंसेस आयन आउट कर लिए हैं। मुख्यमंत्री का चेहरा भी है। आपकी तरफ से ना मैनिफेस्टो है, ना मुख्यमंत्री का चेहरा है।
देखिए, हमारे यहाँ मुख्यमंत्री का वैकेंसी ही नहीं है। नीतीश कुमार जी मुख्यमंत्री हैं, आज भी हैं और आगे भी रहेंगे। पहला तो क्लियर है,
आगे भी रहेंगे,
आगे भी रहेंगे।
बिहार की जनता भली भांति जानती है कि 2005 के पहले इनके पिताश्री का जो राज था, माता श्रीमती का राज था, क्या कर पाए तो बेटा क्या बोलेंगे और करेंगे। इसलिए बिहार की जनता एकदम मन बना ली है कि हमारे एनडीए की सरकार 14 तारीख को एकदम स्पष्ट बन जाएगी।
14 नवंबर को जिस दिन नतीजे आएंगे, सरकार अगर एनडीए की बन जाती है जैसा आप दावा करते हैं, तो क्या आपके 29 में से जितने भी विधायक जीतते हैं वो नीतीश कुमार को नेता बनाने के लिए वोट करेंगे?
100% करेंगे, क्यों नहीं करेंगे।
After weeks, the NDA has finally come out emphatically stating that Nitish will be CM if the NDA wins. But has it already risked losing the narrative war to the Mahagathbandhan? With Maria Shakil in Patna, Bureau Report, India Today.
Dr. Sanjay Kumar, comment on this. So finally you would be relieved that right from the top, Home Minister Amit Shah himself saying that there is no vacancy. Of course, you did build up a lot of pressure. Your leaders were consistently saying that Nitish Kumar is the Chief Minister and he'll continue to be. But the BJP endorsing it and Home Minister Amit Shah himself endorsing it would certainly be a huge relief for you.
So, Maria, in last 7 to 10 days, in whichever debate or show I, came on TV, I quoted Amit Shah's previous speech in Saran, where he said, and I'm quoting again, that Bihar will be safe under the hands of Nitish ji and Modi ji only. That was quite evident, but I know, means people were trying to read between the lines and trying to hear the CM word, and all the leaders of BJP in the state and other NDA leaders, they kept saying very clearly, and even our leaders and we ourselves acknowledge this fact. And yeah, so it's nothing new to us. It's not a news to us. It may be a news for the journalists and the TV channels and the
Okay.
Mahagathbandhan.
So you are saying that there is no news in this, no news in this,
Nothing
Dr.
new,
Sanjay
nothing
Kumar.
new. This is
But the
nothing
fact
new.
is that it was repeatedly, because it was repeatedly being asked by Tejasvi Yadav. In fact, he went to the extent of saying today, Rahul Gandhi said as well that Nitish Kumar will be a remote control chief minister, that the real strings would be
Rahul
with
Gandhi,
the
Maria,
BJP leadership in Delhi.
this is very
So are
interesting.
you not worried
Rahul Gandhi
that if this
comes from-
narrative actually percolates, there could be a sense among the JDU workers and JDU voters that if Nitish Kumar is not becoming the chief minister, then why should they ally with the JDU?
That's
The vote
his
transfer will
feeling.
become an issue also from
That's his
the
feeling,
JDU to
and
the
that's
BJP.
That's his narrative, because Rahul Gandhi comes from a family of privileges where they always remained a la kaman. They always had remote control in their hands, and that is why they keep feeling that everybody is controlling everyone. That's his narrative. We don't believe in such narratives, and we strongly believe that we are a
Okay.
one force.
Dr.
and we
Madhubala?
work together.
Yes. Yes, Mara.
Okay. So they are a united force. You are not, Dr. Madhubala. Will this
विपक्ष
entire
कुछ
issue
भी-
be put to rest? क्या अब
Sorry?
महागठबंधन पार्टीज ये इशू रेस करेगी कि उनका चेहरा कौन है? Now that Home Minister Amit Shah has said that there is no vacancy, then is this chapter closed?
So there is in Bihar there is no democracy. I can say, and we can say that democracy by the people and for the people and OFF of the people. How can we say that no vacancy of CM? So I can ask from Dr. Sanjay, what is democracy and what is the meaning of democracy? Bihar is the janani of democracy. लोकतंत्र की दुनिया को संदेश देने वाला राज्य बिहार है, और हम कहते हैं बिहार में वैकेंसी नहीं है, फिर ये चुनाव का मतलब क्या है? हमने पहले ही सब कुछ फिक्स कर दिया है।
Of course, I take your spirit, but what he meant to say is that people will re-vote to us in the power. That is what he meant to say. It's very clear. We are not challenging democracy. We believe in democracy.
So what is the process of election or democracy or selection or election of our chief minister? What is the process?
No, but
there is no janta.
But while
There
I
is
understand the
no-
process
In
that you're
that
talking
case-
about,
in that
let
case,
me
you
bring in
also
Manish
announced
again.
Tejasvi Yadav. So why did you announce Tejasvi Yadav as chief minister face? Why did you announce?
As chief minister,
Yeah.
हम लोग ये नहीं कह रहे हैं कि कोई वैकेंसी नहीं है, हम ये कह रहे हैं कि जब सवाल आप मीडिया के लोग पूछते हैं लाइक मायरा, तो हम कहते हैं हाँ हमने अनाउंस किया चेहरा, जैसे पीएम का चेहरा आपने अनाउंस किया था लोकसभा में, वैसे ही ये सीएम का चेहरा, बट ये कहना कि देयर इज नो वैकेंसी,
This is a
there
fight
is no
where-
vacancy.
where
CM
this is a narrative.
is Nitish Kumar
Ma'am,
ji. CM will be Nitish
ma'am,
Kumar ji. and
let's be
CM
clear
was
about
Nitish Kumar.
certain technicalities. Let's be
Sorry?
clear about certain technicalities here. It's a poll-bound state, and Nitish Kumar is the chief minister. Till the time
Yes.
a new government is formed, Nitish Kumar remains the chief minister. So when it is about vacancy, it's a political statement which has been made.
Yeah.
I don't think so. It can be seen and interpreted the way it is being done by you all.
This
So-
statement by our
No, I'm
deputy
saying
CM
the interpretation may not be correct. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let me bring in Manish. Manish, the question here is that it is certainly that the BJP leadership responded to pressure. They were understanding that the mood is changing on the ground with Tejasvi, Rahul Gandhi and the Mahagathbandhan repeatedly asking Tejasvi versus who? Tejasvi Yadav even saying that Bihar will be governed by Biharis, not Baharis. And when I had asked him that question, that Nitish Kumar is a Bihari, he is not a Bahari, to which he said that the real strings are with people outside Bihar.
No, there was no pressure. In fact, all the viewers will remember that last time JDU had around 43 seats and BJP had more seats. And we invited Nitish Ji because he is our leader. And he has been our leader since 2005. So when BJP had less seats, then Prime Minister himself invited him to be the leader. He has that kind of a stature and he has earned that stature. Tejasvi has not earned anything. He has not shown anything. Rahul Gandhi has never worked as a minister. He has no locus standi to really talk about development or anything for that matter. So where is the question of pressure? That is one. Second, जब बाहरी की बात करते हैं मारिया जी, तो उनके पीछे तेजस्वी यादव के पीछे एक संजय यादव थे. संजय यादव तो पूरी टिकट वही बंटवारा कर रहे. कई आधे लोग तो आरजेडी में छोड़ के चले गए. वो डिसाइड करे, हरियाणा का आदमी डिसाइड कर रहा है बिहार का टिकट. तो बाहरी की तो वो बात ही नहीं करे. वो क्या बाहरी की बात करते हैं? पूरे उनकी पार्टी को तो उन्होंने खत्म कर दिया. वो क्या बाहरी की बात करेगा? यानी नीतीश जी अपने आदमी है, यहाँ के हैं, right? So all this remote control culture, Dr. Sanjay Yadav was right. This mind remote control doesn't come to a party like BJP. This party is a disciplined party, and this is not a nepo party. This and even JDU for that matter.
Will you respond to that, Madhubala? That ये remote control का idea आप लोग के पास से आया है, the manner in which the UPA functioned. Yes, Ejaz bhai, please respond to that. Yes.
देखिए मारिया जी, मनीष जी जो बातें बोल रहे हैं वो सच और सच्चाई नहीं है. सच तो यह है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी में लोकतंत्र समाप्त हो गया है. जो दो व्यक्ति है वही पूरा तय करते हैं और उन्हीं के माध्यम से सारी राजनीति, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सारी राजनीति की कवायद चलती है. वहां पर अमित शाह जो चाहेंगे वही होगा. और आपने देखा होगा आज अमित शाह ने एक चालाकी किया. वो इसी तरह का भाषा इस्तेमाल करते थे महाराष्ट्र में एकनाथ शिंदे के संबंध में. पहले कहे कि एकनाथ शिंदे जी के नेतृत्व में लड़ेंगे, बाद में उन्होंने कहा कि विधायक दल फैसला करेगा, और उसके बाद उन्होंने किस तरह से वहां पर अपना नेतृत्व थोपने का काम किया. यहाँ पर भी ये चालाकी कर रहे हैं. पहले कहे कि नीतीश जी के नेतृत्व में लड़ेंगे, बाद में कहे कि विधायक दल तय करेगा, पहले एनडीए के लोग तय करेंगे, और उसके बाद आज कह रहे हैं कि कोई वैकेंसी नहीं है. अरे हकीकत है कि आपकी नज़र में वैकेंसी नहीं है, क्योंकि आपको मंगल पांडे को बनाना है. इसीलिए नीतीश जी का नाम को आप सिर्फ आगे रख करके अपनी राजनीति कर रहे हैं, और इस राजनीति को बिहार का पिछड़ा वर्ग समझ रहा है कि आप लोग जो बंच ऑफ थर्ड की राजनीति करते हैं वो नहीं चाहते हैं कि पिछड़ा वर्ग की राजनीति सामने आए. पिछड़ा वर्ग
संजय कुमार 30 seconds quickly.
Maria, this is really disgusting. You know, they don't want to take this fact on them because they know that their battle is lost. That is why hearing out from
Ejaz ji, just 30 seconds please. अब उनकी बात सुन लीजिए. Yes, go ahead.
No, hearing out the fact
Sanjay
that
Kumar, quickly respond. 30 seconds.
Yeah, hearing out from Amit Shah, ji, that Nitish ji is our face. Now they are unable to digest. The Mahagathbandhan is unable to digest, and that is why they are like speaking in this tune.
All right.
So it's their choice.
Okay, let's see whether that question is repeatedly asked, or is this the end of that chapter of who will be the CM from the NDA bloc. Thanks so much for watching, and thank you to all the guests who joined us at this hour.